any ERP is capable of recording and storing data, Acumatica is unmatched at making data easily accessible for users. A prime example of how Acumatica makes data accessible is its side panels. Side panels give the most possible information on a single screen. They allow you to cycle through depths of data without navigating away from your current page. Generic inquiries are one of the primary reporting tools in Acumatica. These inquiries are a way to extract and filter specific data, as well as use the results in other reporting tools like dashboards. Many Acumatica users are already familiar with the powerful filtering and sorting tools available for these inquiries, and how to export them or even repurpose them into pivot tables. What users may be less familiar with is the addition of the side panels to these inquiries in recent versions of Acumatica. Side panels appear exactly where you would expect them to on an inquiry. Like most things in Acumatica, they can be highly personalized to the user's preference. If you're only interested in viewing the results of the inquiry, you can keep the panel collapsed on the right-hand side. When you would like to view more detailed information about a record without needing to drill down into it, simply expand the side panel and display your desired data. The size of the side panel can be adjusted as needed. More importantly, data within the side panels can be edited from this view. For example, if we adjust the scheduled shipment date of this order from the side panel, we'll see that change reflected in the inquiry as soon as we refresh the page. In 2022 R2, the side panels you see displayed here now come out of the box. Each of these options allow you to toggle between different screens to more quickly and effectively review the results of an inquiry. For example, imagine that a sales manager wanted to review all the back-ordered sales orders. From the desired inquiry, the sales manager could drill down into every result and examine them one by one. With the flexibility of the side panels, they could examine them just as carefully without needing to leave the page they are on. By opening the side panel, they could easily see which items are keeping the order back and review whether those items are already being replenished. Based on the information they are seeing, they could decide to change the shipping setting to ship ahead whatever items are already available. If instead the sales manager wanted to review orders that were on a credit hold, the process would be very similar. Once the inquiry was set to display the desired results, the side panel would provide access to as much detail as necessary to review the orders. Once again, the order itself could be reviewed, but what may be more useful is the customer profile. Within the customer profile, general and financial information can be thoroughly reviewed to determine the cause and solution for the credit hold. From this customer view, the sales manager can see who the salesperson assigned to this account is, and even assign the salesperson to the task of following up with the customer. Purchase order side panels are similar to their sales order counterparts. It's of course possible to view the order details and history, such as who approved it and when it was received. Instead of a customer profile, you can access the vendor profile, who the purchase order is for. Whenever necessary, a PDF version of the purchase order can be accessed to print for internal use or emailed directly to the vendor. It's also possible to generate reports detailing all purchase orders from that vendor with open or unbilled quantities. These reports can be printed or sent as needed. Another set of side panels that are extremely useful are found on stock item records. Notice that we are now looking at an item profile instead of an inquiry. Side panels are not limited to just inquiries. These profiles provide information about the item being viewed, such as its description, attributes, and replenishment settings, amongst other things. As you can see, basic price information is available, but in the past, if you wanted to view detailed pricing information, it would have been necessary to navigate to a new page. In Acumatica 2022 R2, you can simply open the side panel to review and adjust sales and vendor pricing information as needed. You'll be able to make any changes necessary from a single screen. As you can see, inventory side panels allow you to have a far more comprehensive view of your items than ever before. This video has reviewed some, not all, of the out-of-the-box functionality of side panels. Like most aspects in Acumatica, they can be easily customized without coding. So, if you ever need more than what you see on an inquiry, you'll have the power to add more side panels to an inquiry without paying for an expensive customization. Ready to see how a cloud ERP like Acumatica can give you actionable insights to your data? Schedule a free no-obligation demo at acupower.co.uk today.